Hey friends, I just wanted to let you know what was on the docket for today. It is a little windy today. We actually have a blizzard warning, which means our temperatures are chilly, it's going to snow, and we are going to have some fierce winds. So they're calling for about 70-mile-an-hour winds at some point. I'm not sure, who knows. So today I'm going to be setting up my seed starting station in the spare bedroom, so I will show you that and take you along for that journey. But real quick, garden space has some snow. Winter sowing containers are covered. They got rain yesterday. Yeah, those containers got some rain yesterday. All right, I'm gonna get back inside and under cover and just get working.
Not a lot of snow, but a heck of a lot of wind. Before I can get started putting the shelf together, I need to clean up the area a little bit. There were a few things being stored in that corner, sweep up, vacuum, and just get the area ready. Sorry, somehow I apparently flipped the camera. Not sure how that happened. There is a thought. That is definitely a thought that I then could have 1, 2, 3, 4 trays starting. So these lights, oh please, and I'll show you. So they can hang like that, and then I can adjust the height so they can be down closer to the shelf or up higher. And I can raise and lower the container, the tray on the shelf. So this is what I did last year. I just had the lamps and I had a table here. So, and I just used the lamps. I have 2 of them. The other one is in another room at the moment, but I could do that also. But I think I'm gonna use the new grow lights that I purchased. And I think I'm gonna use all 4 of them. That way I can start 4 trays all at one time. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's get going. Well, I decided to double up the lights for now. We'll see how this works. I forgot to get the other lamp, but they can work on the top shelf, and then I have 2 lights. So I have 1, 2, 3 shelves that'll have lights. That bottom shelf I can either use to start things if I cover them with like burlap or something. We'll see. Making progress.
All right, friends, that's going to do it for today. That's all I have. As you can see, my amaryllis is blooming for Christmas. I'm so excited. And yeah, it's a little bright over there. Can't really see. Let me turn those off. Believe it or not, that's actually sunlight coming in on those, on the shelves. The lights are all off, so very interesting. Okay, anyway. That's going to do it. I just wanted to give you a quick snapshot of my seed starting area, and we're getting ready for seed starting. We're looking forward to January and getting that process going, but I will definitely have more winter sowing coming your way. So we're gonna have some compare and contrast moments where we're going to do some winter sowing and indoor seed starting at the same time, so we can take a look and see, you know, which method produces what. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, that's all. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.